Is the Lazy Gardener, and we are back here at the community experimental plot. We're getting ready to change the straw here. We're going to save some of the compost to test it, compare it to different types of soil. As you can see, lovely smell.
Ugh.
That is a full-bodied smell. It has standing water, which we don't like. So we are going to put rock down at the bottom so that straw doesn't sit in there and get this wonderful fragrance. Yeah, we'll come back when we're done and we'll show you the rest. Lazy Gardener back. You saw the straw was rotten. It had a wonderful, full-bodied, swamp-like smell. We're using lava rock to go above the level of the drain on this one. We used a combination of lava rock and pea gravel, which I didn't like, but I already did it and I'm not undoing it. It's going to flow all right, but again, it's going to keep the straw mostly out of the water. We still have the filter bag to keep the pipe from getting clogged. The nice thing about this is that the rocks will stay wet. We'll set the plants right on the rocks, and then as the other stuff composes, the roots will spread out through there. So we're going to head and sprinkle some of this for kicks and giggles. The old Miracle-Gro Shake and Feed. And then we will fill it with straw. And we'll put the plants in and we'll show you how it looks.